Hello, everybody. Today, we wanted to give you a little preview of a course that I teach at Cindy Bishop Worldwide School, Financing Workshop 2. My name is Jim Perkins, and I'm the branch manager at SWBC Mortgage in Tysons, Virginia. I'm also a certified teacher for the Cindy Bishop Worldwide School and an approved instructor for the state of Virginia, teaching continuing education credits classes for real estate agents. So let's get into it. What you'll learn in this course is assessing the buyer and the benefits of assessing the buyer. We're going to dig into the things that you can use to help the buyer, and we'll show you the benefits of doing that. We're also going to address the seller, assessing the seller. So if you have a listing, we want to talk about things that will help that seller and also help you with that listing, such as making sure that the sales price, after everything's said and done, that they're going to have enough money to pay off their first trust, their second trust, and any other type of trust they may not be aware of that is actually a lien against the property. And also, too, that if they're going to buy another house, that they're lined up to do that and there'll be enough funds for them to move forward so they don't get caught short. We're going to talk about the different types of loan types and how that'll benefit the buyer and how we will show them the different types of loans and what will be most beneficial for them. We'll talk about the cost for each of the loan types and who's allowed to pay some of those costs, whether the seller can pay or a third party, interested parties can help contribute to the cost of the loan. And then we'll also talk about qualifications for the borrower and their financing. Now, how will this make you more productive? Well, what you want to do is you want to set the expectations for the seller. When you have a listing, you set the expectations, you explain to them the things that could be happening through the process. And then if something does come up, they already know that that may be a challenge for them and they'll be able to move smoothly through it, the transaction. So they're not going to be upset and they're going to move forward. Same way with the buyers. We want to set the expectations so they know what to expect through the process. We're going to explain to you how to do that. And then also tell you that you want to get your borrower to your go-to lender. You want to make sure that they get to the lender and get pre-approved before you put them in the car or they start looking online in the virtual world, because we don't want them to find a house that they can't afford. Then what we're going to do is we're going to share some of the insights that we have and then also maybe some of the students in the class, and then we'll answer any questions that you may have. If you'd like more information about this course and other courses, go to cindybishopworldwide.com. They have virtual courses and you can schedule in-person classes also. Hope to see you in class. Bye now.